Hello my loves, let's relax and unwind with a pamper night. Today I'm sharing my feel-good pamper routine for a DIY spa night at home. It's such an amazing routine to get me to reset and refresh. If it's your first time here, my name is Michelle and Lotus Flower Life is all about getting the best of self-care from the inside out. So subscribe and hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss another video from your girl. This pamper night routine has been such a healing experience for me. Whenever I plan to give myself a pamper night, I always start with taking time to relax my mind. So that means some tea, putting on some comfy clothes, lighting a really good smelly candle, and just really soaking the moment in. My favorite type of music to play when I am doing some kind of like a laid back, chill kind of night, I like to put on headphones and play some bossa nova jazz. Helps me to just hear all the intricacies of the music. It really enhances the listening experience for me, so I could really zone out for a minute. Usually by the end of the day, my neck and shoulders are tense and tight, and to counteract that, I follow a yoga video which helps me to release all of that tension. I'll link it in the description box if you guys are interested. This puts me in a really zen-like state. Then I like to use my self-massager, and I did mention this in my self-care video a couple of videos ago. If you don't have a self-massager, you are missing out. You gotta get one. So the next thing I really love to do for a DIY spa night is to give myself a mini facial. I'm gonna walk you guys through each step, and yeah, this is me doing my happy dance because I love giving myself a facial. It's so relaxing and I literally can spend so much time doing it. Also, I want to give you guys a reminder, make sure you're washing your hands before you touch your face, not just because of, you know, the panini, but in any case, you should always be washing your hands before you ever touch your face, especially if you just got home. Like, it's just not hygienic to touch your face after you've been out and about. Hands are the dirtiest part of our body, or one of the dirtiest parts of our body. Gotta make sure that we're taking care of that. I'm just going in with a nice oil cleanse, and my favorite oil to use is hemp oil because it is non-comedogenic. That means it will not clog my pores. It really does a bang up job of getting all my makeup off, and I had makeup on that day. I really need to go in and make sure that all of that was off. And the next thing I do is use this amazing whip maker, and I pair it with my Casil powder. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Casil powder. This stuff, ooh, guys, it is amazing. I discovered it maybe a couple months ago or a month ago, and I just started using it, and wow, this stuff has an insane amount of benefits. It's so good for your skin. I've noticed a difference just from using it for a little bit of time. I highly recommend you guys trying that out if you guys have acne prone skin like myself and it's also sensitive. Doing a mini facial always makes my skin look and feel really good. It's been so beneficial in healing my maskne. I was so upset when I got it. I experienced maskne for like the past 6 or 7 months, and my face was so agitated and breaking out really badly until I started adding these products into my skincare routine. But now that I've recovered my skin pretty well, I'm just now working on healing all the hyperpigmentation and the scarring, the breakouts left behind. But I'm very happy with all the products that I've discovered and I've started to consistently use.
Bruh.
Anyone who's seen my self-care Sunday idea video would know that I am an avid meditator. Lying down with my mask on and some cucumbers helps me to relax my face and body. Having your legs up on the wall allows your muscles to relax. It helps to relieve fatigue. It could help calm the nervous system, release anxiety, tension, stress. It helps swollen feet and legs. I do this for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how long the meditation is that I choose to do that night. Now I can see the mask is fully dry, so I go ahead and hop in the shower and I do my full body glow routine. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it down below. I'm just gonna do my full shower routine, let the mask get hit by the steam and soften up, rinse it off, and then we're going to finish off our mini facial and then get into a comfy situation. Like I said before, I was experiencing some serious maskne. I am using this Derma-E salicylic acid serum, and this stuff has been helping so much. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a really good product with some amazing ingredients. I finish off my mini facial with some more hemp seed oil to further seal in and moisturize. The next morning, my face feels so soft and supple. I go in with my eye cream to make sure my under eye is moisturized, and preventative care is better than no care at all, so I love to use this eye cream by 100% Pure. Then I lotion my entire body with this vanilla body butter. It smells so amazing. Then I put on some fuzzy socks. I let myself chill out in bed and read for the rest of the night. Getting to bed an hour or two earlier than usual really helps, and it's a great way to end your pamper routine. I can't tell you how many times I forced myself to stay up later than I actually needed to for unnecessary reasons. There's nothing wrong with simply giving in and letting the night ride out the way it wants to. That is exactly how I pamper myself for a relaxing DIY spa night at home. It changes depending on how much time I have for the night, but it's so helpful for me to feel my very best. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you feel like might enjoy it. As always, I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes, and I will see you in the next one.